during COVID. Consumer investigator Jason Knowles here tonight to explain. Jason.
Cheryl, Rob, in some cases, too much federal unemployment money was distributed to people during the pandemic, but many never gave that money back, and millions of dollars were forgiven. That was not the case for one local woman, and now she's fighting unemployment fraud accusations.
This has been weighing on me.
Renee Jackson of Lakeview says she was stunned when she received these letters at the beginning of 2025 accusing her of unemployment fraud.
They're saying that I certified for unemployment when I was working, which I did not.
The executive assistant lost her job during the pandemic, collected unemployment, then found work again. But she says after she got a new job, she kept getting federal money under the CARES Act, which was automatically deposited into her account.
I can't get a straight answer from IDS. I can't get an answer for them to show me that I certified for unemployment during that time.
Now the state says she owes more than $7,000 in overpayments with penalties. IDES said she was not eligible for that money, but Jackson is fighting back in a lawsuit. In this appeal document to the agency, she said she did not file for that money while working.
I don't get how you can certify for unemployment and then when you get a job, you don't certify for unemployment, and yet their systems, because they were so outdated, continue to pay me.
Throughout the pandemic, the I-Team reported on IDES errors because of an outdated system, backlogs, massive overpayments, and even scam artists who were trying to take advantage of the confusion. In many cases, federal overpayments to people like Jackson, who say they were not gaming the system, were forgiven. The acting director of IDES at the time addressed the issue.
We're working with federal partners to develop a process for how those individuals may request a waiver.
New data obtained by the I-Team from IDES shows from 2020 to 2024, the state had more than 485,000 overpayment cases, totaling almost $1.6 billion. Of that number, more than $106 million were recovered. More than $65 million were waived or forgiven. Do you think you did anything wrong?
Absolutely not.
IDES would not comment on Jackson's case, saying we cannot share details of individual claimants. In its response to Jackson's lawsuit, IDES did not argue the case, but through its legal counsel, the Illinois Attorney General, IDES said the decision should stand based on the records and ineligible payments Jackson received. The Illinois AG also said in a filing that the court should uphold the State Board of Review's decision to dismiss an appeal by Jackson because she filed 12 days too late. But a judge recently disagreed.
It means a lot to me that the judge ruled in the appeal process in my favor because he saw the evidence that I presented.
Now Jackson has the green light to go through that appeal process and try to get that overpayment forgiven.
Still have to fight. However, this is big because I won the right to go back to IDS and say, no, you were wrong, not me.
Jackson says she will continue her fight to not pay that money back. She says she feels this process is also about clearing her name, saying she did not commit unemployment fraud. Rob, Cheryl, if you were accused of fraud, don't ignore the notices. Of course, ask for evidence, ask for everything, make them show you if you did certify for that unemployment. This woman, of course, determined.
And the judge gave her a break in her favor.
Right.
Yeah.
She has the right now to appeal with IDES, so she says that is a big win for her.
We know you keep following up on this story, and we'll get an update later on. Thank you. Good work, Jason. Thank you.